Hello children, welcome to the Wise Grandpa YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about the colors. The wonder of learning colors. Look at this book, it's so colorful. We have a blue airplane and we have cubes and lots of colors. Who's excited? Let's do this. The first color we have is blue. Blue ink. Blue plane. Blue bucket. Blue whale. Blueberries. Blue refrigerator. Blue bicycle. Blue shoes. Blue surfboard. Moving on to yellow. Yellow top. Yellow mug. Yellow personal radio. Car. Yellow rubber duck. Yellow butterfly. Yellow shovel. Yellow scooter. And yellow flippers. Next page. We have red. Red Macau. Red cherries. Red ladybug. Red watermelon, my favorite. Red telephone. Red toothbrush. Red tomatoes. Red dice. Red stool. Now the next color is green. Green grapes. Green praying mantis. Green gift. Green teapot. Green water gun. Green pears. Green peas. Green ping pong paddle. Green frog. Green dart. Next page. To purple. Purple umbrella. Rain, rain, go away. Now purple flower. Purple candy. Purple spool. Purple wristwatch. Purple bow. Purple eggplant. Purple ornament. Purple star. Purple tube. Next color is orange. Orange leaf. Orange ball. Orange carrot. Orange crayons. Orange goldfish. Orange watering can. Orange toy train. Orange traffic cone. Orange ice pop. Orange pumpkin. Kids, my back is hurting. Hold on. Okay, kids, I am back. Sorry, I had to stretch out a little bit. Moving on to the next color is gray. Gray bag. Gray bow tie. Gray shoes. Gray hat. Gray candle stand. Gray belt. Gray binoculars. Gray suitcase. Next color is magenta. Water baller. Mittens. Lipstick. Magenta lock. Magenta bracelet. Magenta ribbon. Magenta butterfly. Magenta bunny. Next color is my daughter's favorite. Pink cup. Pink candle. Pink ballet shoes. Pink beads. Pink fairy. Pink water lily. Pink flamingo. Pink chair. Next color is brown. Brown coffee bean. brown planter, brown donut, brown shoes, brown button, brown stuffed toy, brown brush, brown deer. The end. Thank you for joining me today and hope to see you next time. Take care, kids.